Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to get or install the Bakkesmod plugin for the Epic games. So how can you install in it? So first of all, make sure to go to the Google and open your browser either on your PC or laptop and search here Bakkesmod plugin. And once you search Bakkesmod plugin, you will see the first website bakkesplugin.com. So do not go to any other website and find this website bakkesplugin.com and open this website. And once you have opened this website, you will see this interface. So you can click on like browse plugins, or from here just click on like Bakkesmod, and from here just select download Bakkesmod, or you can just scroll down at the end and click on download Bakkesmod and you will be able to download. So let's first download the Bakkesmod, and let me just download it. Just remove this, and from here as you can see, just click on start download and it has like downloaded. So open it and just install this into your PC or laptop, and once you install it, you will be able to use it along with the Epic Games launcher. So these are the simple and easy guides on how you can install Bakkes plugin and like attach it with the Epic Games.